Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Greg Mikulowski from ForexLive.com. This is a Forex quick look on take a look at the dollar versus Canada. Today's date is October 25th, 2024. It's Friday. Let's take a look at what we've done this week and where we may be going next week. So let's get started. The low for the week in this pair was down here in the first bar on this 4-hour chart for the dollar versus Canada. That was above this swing area going back to this period right through here, where we had support here, and then we broke support, moved to the downside. We returned back to that area and trading last week, traded above and below the level right here, and then tried to use this level as resistance right through here, pushed to the downside, and then ultimately use the level of support, closing higher above this swing area on a week ago Friday, or a week ago today, I should say. And on Monday, we came down, held support against this swing area and pushed to the upside. That push to the upside did take the price above or higher and into this swing area up through here, where we had a number of different swing highs and swing lows going back in time through this period right through here. You can see the number of different times that the market came there. We did have this one wild last move to the upside here that failed quickly, and that led to the move to the downside. So we moved back up toward that level, and then we kind of found support against a random level right through here. This level comes in at 1.38131. Might also say that we have a high price right through here. So this level just became de facto support, a de facto floor for this pair, which we moved off of in trading yesterday, moving back above this swing area right through here and moving up toward what was another target. These targets were just other swing highs going back to this period in July and August, where the price found a peak here. We also found peaks through here. So that high price that we saw here and then we saw here yesterday, we did move a little bit above it, but then use that level as resistance right here, push to the downside. And where did we go? We came right into this swing area and trading here today. So guess what? This area is close support at 1.38337, 1.38475, and the ability to hold support and trading here today and push back to the upside is positive. And keeps the buyers firmly in control of the dollar versus Canada. Now the next target we need to get above is the 1.3864 level, and then we start to look toward this high again, corresponding with these highs going back through here before the spike higher through here. If we get above that level, then it's we had clear sailing here up to the 1.39458. Of course, there's going to be some other maybe the 139 level as resistance on the top side. Get above that level, and then we start to look toward the 458 level. But ultimately, what we're seeing here is a up and down consolidation / move to the upside here in the dollar versus Canada. Remember, this week the Bank of Canada did cut rates by 50 basis points, and expectations are they're going to have to cut further down the road. So that's good news for a weaker Canadian dollar. Even though the price did move higher on that cut right here and then rotate back to the downside, we did hold support right through here, and it was a modest decline. It didn't even reach the lows for the week. So buyers are still in control. The market is still trending, albeit at a slower pace than what we saw through here. Nevertheless, we are moving higher, and we have to break below certain levels like this swing area and the 1.38131 level to tilt the bias back to the downside in the dollar versus Canada. So use this as a guide for not only this week, today and for the rest of the week, but also for the start of the new trading week next week. My name is Greg Mikulowski. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.